Today I am going to discuss converse of the basic proportionality theorem and one exercise 6.2 question number 5. You know what is basic proportionality theorem? A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, here F and E. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, that is AF by FB is equal to AE by EC. That is basic proportionality theorem. Now let us see its converse. Let me find out AF by FB and AE by EC. Here AF by FB is equal to 4.19 by 3.68. Let me find it out. 4.19 by 3.68. It is equal to 1.138587. Now correct to two places of decimal, you can write it as 1.14. Now let me find out AE by EC. 5.99 divided by 5.26. 5.99 divided by 5.26. What will you get? That also 1.138783. Correct to two places of decimals, you can write it as 1.14 here too. That means here both the ratios are equal. AF by FB and AE by EC are equal. Now let me check what about the lines and one of the side BC. Are they parallel or not? Let me draw a line through BC. Now let us check it. Will they intersect? It is not intersecting. That means here FE is parallel to BC. That means a line drawn, a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. This we can call it as converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. Now if we change the size, here you can see the ratios are equal, therefore these lines are always parallel. If lines are parallel, then ratio will be equal, that is basic proportionality theorem. And if the ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel, that is converse of basic proportionality theorem. By using this we can solve a question. Here DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. You have to show EF parallel to QR. Since ED parallel to OQ, in triangle POQ you can apply basic proportionality theorem. That we can write it as, that is PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO by basic proportionality theorem. Now let me take DF parallel to OR. Now DF and OR contain triangle is POR. Now take triangle POR and apply basic proportionality theorem. We get PF by FR is equal to PD by DO by basic proportionality theorem. The first one you can take it as equation 1 and the second equation 2. Here from equation 1 and 2, RHS PD by DO are equal. So LHS also must be equal. So we can write. Now look at triangle PQR. We got PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. That means the sides are divided in the same ratio. If it is so, then the line joining will be parallel to the third side. That is, here EF divides PQ and PR in the same ratio. Therefore, you can write EF is parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So, therefore, EF parallel to QR by converse of basic proportionality theorem. This is question number 6 of the textbook. ABC are points on OP, OQ and OR respectively. Here given this AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Now you have to prove BC parallel to QR. The same way you can do it here. Since AB parallel to PQ, you can write it as OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Since AC parallel to PR, again you can write it as OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Both LHS are equal. From 1 and 2 you can get it. OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. Now you can apply converse of basic proportionality to arrive the answer BC parallel to QR. So let you try to solve this question. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.